This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone and the tag. Unlock your iPhone 15 and make sure it's running the latest iOS so NFC features work smoothly. Once done, wake the screen and position the top center of the iPhone near the tag or card. That's the NFC antenna area. You don't need extra apps for basic reads. The phone will prompt automatically. If you plan to use Wallet for payments, present the top of the device to the reader and follow on-screen prompts. Now set up context-aware behavior with shortcuts. Open shortcuts and create a personal automation, then choose NFC and scan the desired tag by holding the top of the phone to it. Next, add the sequence of actions you want, launch an app, change a setting, or show a message, then save the automation. Make sure to disable Ask before running for seamless, immediate execution. This is how you turn a passive tag read into a repeatable workflow that runs when the phone senses the tag. Finish by testing every tag and each automation in the real scenario. Hold the top center of your iPhone 15 close to the tag. If it doesn't read, move a few millimeters and try again, because case thickness or angle often blocks the antenna. If you need writable tags, use a reputable NFC writer app to program them, then retest. And if an automation fails, restart the phone, toggle wireless radios, and confirm the shortcuts automation is enabled. That quick reset fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.